How to fix this site can't be reached in Chrome. Fast and easy 2025. Fix 1. Basic connectivity checks and restart. Check your internet connection. Is your Wi-Fi connected? Are other devices online? Can you visit other common sites like google.com or youtube.com? If not, your internet might be down. You could also try to restart your router or modem. Fix 2. Clear Chrome's cache and cookies. Click the 3 vertical dots in the top right corner of Chrome, then select Settings. In the left sidebar, click on Privacy and Security. Click on Delete Browsing Data. Set the time range to all time. Make sure cookies and other site data and cached images and files are checked. You can uncheck Browse History if you want to keep it. Click Delete Data, close and reopen Chrome, then try to reach the website. Fix 3. Flush DNS Cache and disable proxy. Search for CMD in your Windows Start menu, right-click on Command Prompt, and select Run as Administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type ipconfig flushdns and press Enter. You should see a success message. Close Command Prompt and try the website again. Go to Chrome Settings, System. Click on Open your computer's proxy settings. This will open your computer system proxy settings. Ensure that Use a proxy server or similar option is turned off for most home users. If it's on, disable it unless you specifically need a proxy. Fix 4. Temporarily disable firewall or antivirus. Locate your antivirus software or Windows Defender firewall settings. Temporarily disable them for a few minutes. Try to access the website again. If the website loads, your security software is the culprit. You'll need to add Chrome or the specific website as an exception. Remember to re-enable your security software immediately after testing. Lastly, try incognito mode or different browser and check site status. These help isolate if the problem is with Chrome extensions or the website itself.